together. Come on, let's be cute. It's quarantine, but that don't mean you can't be cute, you know? Yeah, give it to them. Straight leg, throwback, J-Lo type vibes, you know? Yeah, come get you some. What's up, D4B fam? Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl, Destiny, and I'm coming to y'all today as I straighten this hair, okay? I did end up putting a hat on, but I'll show y'all, you know, what the hair looks like and everything before we put the hat on. But if you want to know how I straighten my natural / transitioning hair, just keep on watching. Y'all see what I got going on. Let's get right into it. We're gonna try to do something with this hair today. That's what our mission is right now, is to do something with this hair. I refuse to have a matted bird's nest, so let's just jump right into it. I got about 30 minutes to make this beautiful. So we're gonna, dang, I stay dropping stuff. We're gonna jump into it with the, as I call it, the blow dryer with the comb on it, and we're gonna just try and straighten this out, because these roots, honey, dangerous. But anyways, stick with me. We're gonna do this together. Okay, so hair blow dried. Blind girl puts on glasses, perfect. All right, so it's blow dried pretty good now. It wasn't like wet or nothing. I washed it last night and all I did was wrapped it after I got out the shower. So yeah, it wasn't wet, but you know, you just put a little heat to it to kind of help it go ahead and straighten out. As you can see, it's a little more straight than what it was before. But all I'm gonna do is brush through it a couple times. I'm gonna take a little oil sheen, just regular Plus oil sheen, and I'm gonna try to spray it just on the shaft and the ends. It smells so good. Just give it a little spray. I don't like to put too much on my hair, because even though it looks like it's thick, it's really not. It's like my strands are actually pretty thin, and they weigh down so easy. So I don't want to put too much product on it. And I let it dry overnight too, so I don't really need a whole bunch. So all we're gonna do is I'm gonna shave first. So we're on part off section, just like we would if we're curling it. And again, you can't see, so you just part, you know, the best of your ability. And then we're gonna take this, pin it up, and then I like to take the bristle brush. These things weren't even on. I thought I cut them on. I didn't cut them on. Let's cut them on. But anyways, so remember these. I'm using the Kaposi. Again, the Kaposi flat iron from Amazon. The touchscreen one. Again, I'm not the biggest fan of the touchscreen. The flat iron overall, though, I really like. Touchscreen, not so much. So I just turn it on. I turn it all the way up. It has like a hair health meter on the right side of the screen, so I turn it all the way up to healthy. And that puts it on like 450 degrees. It does flip between Fahrenheit and Celsius, so just be aware, girl, and just keep it turned up if you notice that your hair is not straightening. So all I'm gonna do is part off sections with the wide tooth comb, brush it out with the bristle brush, and then take the Kaposi. I like to make sure I get a good couple passes through the root, and then I slowly kind of just drag it down the rest of the hair. Your hair will be very hot. Don't grab. I kind of put it like in a little circle, so it's like barely touching my skin, but it will be on fire. Do not, you know, be aware. If you grab it, it will burn. But anywho, that's pretty much the gist of it, and we have like straight hair. As you can see the difference between, don't mind this bruise on my nose. I was picking with, don't worry about it, but as you can see, we're just straightening our hair. We're not going nowhere but to get the boy. So you can see we got not straight hair, straight hair. So we're gonna keep doing that all around the entire head. And I don't know if I should do a middle part or a side part. What y'all think? I think I might be feeling middle part. I might do like a baseball hat, you know, a little sporty look, you know? I don't know, we'll see. Y'all let me know what y'all think might look best in the description bar. Not in the comment section down below. Let me know what y'all think. Inches. Hey girl. Too bad you need your ends clipped, but girl, you got these inches right here. You got them right there at least. It did it. See, I hate this touch screen, but I love the flat iron part because it gets so hot. It keeps your hair so smooth. But this thing will change. For one, it just switched to Celsius. Y'all probably can't see that, but it just switched to Celsius. And so, whatever. I don't care if it's on Fahrenheit or Celsius. I just needed to get hot, stay hot. So I'm just gonna turn it right on back up on Celsius. I'm not even gonna waste time changing it to Fahrenheit. The biggest key for me with trying to wear my hair straight, especially with my hair transitioning, is making sure you get the root. Because if the roots pop up and puff up on you, leaving you looking like you got a bad weave, girl, that's not cute. That's not cute at all for nobody nowhere. So we want these real inches growing from our scalp to be nice and flat. So make sure you get the root. And I don't know if y'all are probably wondering about if I use like a heat protectant. I usually would, but I don't plan on wearing my hair out too long, so, and I already don't put a lot of heat on it as is. So I just go back through. Hit it with the comb. I kind of feel on the, I kind of feel back here, like I kind of feel like this is puffy, so I'm just gonna hit that again. I just don't want it to feel puffed up. I want it to lay really flat, or as flat as possible to my head. Come on, inch. How should we part it? Down the middle or like on this side? Don't really think it's gonna matter, huh? Maybe we just like put a little bend in these parts. Yeah, let's try that. Let's try to put a little bend in these sections and see. It's cute because I don't know if I feel like a part at all. Does anybody else feel like that sometimes? Like, like I don't really need a part. I'm free for all kind of hairline day. You don't got to be parted one way or the other. I be feeling like that sometimes. So, whoopsie. A little bend in this guy. Just a little bend. See? Like the tiniest bend. For real. I guess I can tilt y'all up so you can kind of see. Hey, ceiling. So you can kind of see what I'm doing. When I talk about a bend, pretty much like you're curling it, but like very loosely, just so it has that little bump at the end. Can't get it. So you run it through and then you just bring it up and like twist your wrist and it'll give you a nice little bend. So you just pretty much just pull it through, but like twist your wrist with it and it'll give you a little bend so that free hair on top is not so straight. Okay. Yeah, I think I like the freer look better, but we're literally gonna just brush it all out. Even with a flip, let's do a little flip with it. I just like my hair kind of messy, like, but you're gonna see the vibe we're going for. So this is to get the front kind of where you want it, you know? Kind of get it where you want it, where you need it, a little height to it. And then you go back over with the paddle, right? And let the paddle like lightly hit the outer portions. See, that's why you need that little bend in it. So it can give you a little shape. But yeah. And just like that. I think we're 5 minutes to spare. So I think we're good with the hair, you know? See, that's why you want that little bend to give you a little arch, a little something, something. A little bend on top of the straighten, but I think I want to wear a hat today because we're going for sporty spice. So I think that's what we're gonna do. So throw on some jewelry, and I think I might grab a hat and see how we like it with the hat for like sporty vibe. Losing my voice, but just for the sporty vibe, you know. Crop tank, sweatpants type of thing. So we're gonna go and grab some jewelry, probably grab a little hat, and be right back. Okay, y'all, so we're back. I just tossed on a little concealer, nothing cray-cray. I don't have my brows done. I don't have on no lashes. I don't have none of that, but I did put on my other pair of glasses. And after I put my glasses on, I was like, middle part. So yeah, here's our straight hair. We got this middle part. I threw on some chunky earrings. And I figured y'all might want to see me put the hat on, so I just kind of tilt my head back like that. And boom. See our little bend pieces, like I'm telling you. You just need the cute little bend. And then I just threw on some plain little gold chains. I'm gonna throw on a little gloss really quick. And then yeah, so we're gonna throw that gloss on. No liner, no nothing, girl, because we're giving sporty. We're giving, you know, sweatpants, crop tank. We're giving vibes, you know, we're giving vibes. So yeah, man, thank y'all again for tuning in with me. This was like an everyday straighten my hair, get cute and sporty type of a situation. If you guys want to see how I do my everyday concealer, no makeup, let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know what y'all want to see, what you're interested in, what you want to see from me. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Do not forget to subscribe. Y'all be forgetting. So subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, you know, hit that like button, follow me on my other social media platforms at Destiny. Follow me, girl. Let's do this thing together. Come on, let's be cute. It's quarantine, but that don't mean you can't be cute, you know? Yeah, give it some straight leg, throwback, J-Lo type vibes, you know? Yeah, come get you some. So, yeah, girl. Until next time, I'll see y'all.